For years, professional landscape photographers, commercial studio shooters, and high-end hybrid creators have faced a frustrating compromise. If you wanted mind-blowing, ultra-high-resolution imagery that could be blown up to billboard sizes, you bought a high-resolution body like the Sony A7R series, but you had to live with slow sensor readout speeds, rolling shutter distortion, sluggish buffers, and a camera that struggled to keep up with fast-moving action. If you wanted blistering speed, zero blackout, and stacked sensor performance, you had to drop $6,000 on a flagship sports body like the Sony A7R, sacrificing crucial megapixels along the way. The photography world was split down the middle. But behind closed doors at Sony's engineering labs, the rules of the game have been completely rewritten. Confidential supply chain leaks, internal registration manifests, and engineering blueprints confirmed what the imaging world had been praying for: the arrival of the legendary Sony A7R VI. To understand why this camera has sent absolute shockwaves through the tech and photography community, you have to look at what Sony accomplished. The A7R VI is not just another incremental update with a minor menu tweak or a slightly better battery. It represents the ultimate convergence of two previously incompatible worlds: the blistering speed of a sports flagship and the uncompromising detail of a ultra-high-resolution studio monster. For years, industry critics argued that a fully stacked sensor with 60-plus megapixels running at high frame rates was thermally and physically impossible in a standard-sized mirrorless body. Sony answered those doubts by building a machine designed to dominate the professional market for the next half-decade. At the very heart of the A7R VI sits an engineering marvel, a brand new, full-frame, back-illuminated fully stacked exmor RS CMOS sensor boasting an effective 66.8 megapixels. This is a monumental architectural leap over traditional non-stacked high-resolution sensors. Because the sensor architecture is fully stacked, memory and processing layers are integrated directly beneath the pixel array, creating a superhighway for data transfer. Readout speeds are accelerated to levels that completely obliterate rolling shutter distortion. Whether you are panning across a fast-moving race car, capturing wildlife wings beating at hyperspeed, or shooting under harsh, flickering LED stadium lights, the electronic shutter performs with absolute geometric perfection, yielding zero skew and zero banding. Handling that staggering wall of data requires computational muscle unlike anything seen before in a high-resolution body. The A7R VI is powered by the advanced Bionz XR2 processor paired with an integrated dedicated AI processing unit and high-bandwidth LSI. This dual-engine processing pipeline acts as an intelligent neural brain inside the camera. It tracks human eyes, bodies, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, and planes with terrifying, unyielding precision. Thanks to the AI processing unit, even if a subject turns away, dips behind an obstruction, or moves erratically through a chaotic environment, the camera calculates position vectors hundreds of times per second, ensuring your focus is locked tight before your finger even hits the actuation point. Speed is where the A7R VI completely shatters historical expectations. Previous high-resolution cameras were notoriously sluggish when firing continuous bursts, choking their buffers after a few frames. The A7R VI shatters those limitations by delivering up to 30 frames per second of continuous 14-bit RAW shooting with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking, all with absolute zero viewfinder blackout. But the real game-changer for action and wildlife shooters is the inclusion of RAW pre-capture functionality. When you half-press the shutter button, the camera continuously buffers images into a temporary memory loop. The exact millisecond you fully depress the shutter, the camera saves the frames leading up to the moment, letting you capture lightning strikes, breaching whales, or a bird launching off a branch even if your human reflexes were a fraction of a second too late. To support these incredible burst speeds without bottlenecking, Sony upgraded the internal memory infrastructure. Dual card slots supporting high-speed CF Express Type A and UHS-2 SD media ensure that massive multi-gigabyte bursts clear instantly. You can hold down the shutter button for extended sequences, fire hundreds of uncompressed high-resolution RAW files, and review them immediately without a single millisecond of system lockup. For hybrid creators and professional filmmakers, the A7R VI transforms into a cinema-grade powerhouse. While previous high-resolution models often forced compromises like heavy sensor crops or thermal limits when shooting high bitrate video, the A7R VI delivers pristine, crop-free 8K recording at up to 30 frames per second and 10-bit 4:2:2 oversampled from an 8.2K readout. If high frame rate slow motion is your priority, the camera captures buttery smooth 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, letting you reveal crisp cinematic motion details without sacrificing resolution or dynamic range. Advanced professional monitoring tools, custom user LUTs, and uncompressed HDMI output make this a true A-cam for high-end commercial video production. Physical ergonomics and handling have also received a comprehensive, highly requested overhaul. Listening closely to professional feedback, Sony redesigned the chassis to incorporate a deeper, more substantial hand grip heavily inspired by their flagship sports line. When balancing massive telephoto glass like a 600mm prime or a heavy studio zoom, the deeper grip drastically reduces hand fatigue and provides a secure, locked-in feel. The body is constructed from ultra-rigid, lightweight magnesium alloy with extensive weather-sealing gaskets protecting every dial, port, and button against heavy dust storms, torrential rain, and sub-zero humidity. Furthermore, Sony integrated illuminated button backlighting across the control layout, allowing shooters to navigate settings effortlessly in pitch-black astrophotography or dimly lit wedding venues. The viewing experience on the A7R VI is nothing short of breathtaking. The camera features a world-class, ultra-high-resolution Quad XGA OLED electronic viewfinder boasting 9.44 million dots and a massive 0.9x magnification ratio. It delivers a brilliant, hyper-detailed, crystal-clear window into your scene with zero lag and zero eye fatigue during marathon shooting sessions. Paired with Sony's flexible multi-angle tilting and articulating touchscreen LCD, creators have complete creative freedom for awkward low-angle macro shots, high-overhead street framing, and vertical portrait orientation work. In-body image stabilization has reached unprecedented heights of performance. The upgraded 5-axis stabilization mechanism delivers up to an incredible 8.5 stops of compensation. This means landscape and architectural photographers can shoot handheld at extremely slow shutter speeds in twilight conditions or capture sharp low-light street scenes without dragging along a heavy tripod. When combined with active electronic stabilization modes for video, walking shots, and dynamic handheld tracking look remarkably smooth, mimicking the steady movement of a motorized gimbal. Power management, long a critical point for high-resolution cameras processing heavy AI algorithms, is solved with the introduction of a brand new high-capacity power cell, the NPSA 100 lithium-ion battery. Delivering significantly higher electrical current and efficiency, the battery yields extended operational endurance, pushing over 600 shots per charge through the viewfinder and supporting prolonged studio sessions. For uninterrupted power during all-day time-lapse, live streaming, or heavy cinema shoots, the camera supports robust USB power delivery through dual USB-C ports, enabling continuous high-wattage power input from external power banks or wall adapters. When Sony officially brought the A7R VI to light with an introductory price tag set at $4,499, it caught the entire industry off guard by landing lower than aggressive market predictions. By combining nearly 67 megapixels of razor-sharp resolution, 30 frames per second blackout-free, stacked sensor speed, advanced AI autofocus, 8.5 stop stabilization, and pristine 8K video into one refined professional body, Sony eliminated the compromise. For professional creators who demanded absolute perfection without compromises, the waiting game is over, and a new era of high-resolution digital imaging has officially begun.